Right, and obviously with the beauty of this lift, I can actually just lower it down so I can put the wheel back in. No having to try and hold the camera, hold the wheel. Right, I've greased up the spindle. Alright, there it is, back in. Just got the pinch bolts at the bottom to put back in. Now I can start having a look at the mudguard. Again, the bolts that came out the bottom, I did give them a clean up, but I'm probably going to replace them. Alright, these should do the trick. Yep, they'll be fine. So that's 4 new bolts to go in. Same on the other side. And done. Alright, pleased with that so far. Next thing, look at the mudguard. Alright, just put that in loose at the moment. It is a little high. May have to adjust the rear bolt hole because it is down here. So obviously with brackets that bring it out slightly. Right, that's a better angle. So definitely the back's got to be cut down. First of all, I'll probably re-drill, line up a hole up there. That's sitting nicely, wheel spins freely, clearance on the disc. So then I can work out roughly where the plate and bracket need to go. Yeah, so there will need some adapting to that rear mount. As soon as that's drilled and cut back, this will pull this back. can start looking at the brackets for the mask, looking at a bracket for the headlight, and then a bracket for the Koso Speedo. So still lots to do. Alright, so I've made a line there. I'm just going to cut this back. Alright, so that's the first side shortened. Just need to tidy this up. Right, so basically taken that much off. Now I need to make the fresh hole, so I need to line this back up again. Right, just tried that against the bike, happy with how that side's come through. Now I need to do the same on this side. Obviously when using that, always wear goggles. Alright, that's lining up nicely. I need to take a bit more off this corner, just so it'll fit in nicely. So just off there. So that's the next job. Alright, happy with that side. Now just got to do the other side to match that. Alright, looking better. Again, mount this on the bike again. It's looking much better. Sitting nice and low. It's just a case of working out the brackets for this one. And then obviously drilling for that one. No, pleased with that. That's looking a lot better. Sitting nice and straight. Small gap. That's spinning freely. Alright, just need to line up these holes with the bracket and then drill. Right, to make the hole, again I'm using the small Dremel. I've actually got a small little cone bit. So I've actually gone in like that. I just need to make the hole a little bit bigger. thought this would be easier than actually using a drill. Hasn't chewed it up too much. That's come out quite well. So I need to do the same on the other side. There we go. So let's try that for size. Yeah, that's pretty good. Just need a slight adjustment on this curve. Just to take that back in a bit. That's the thing with this, it's constantly take it off, sort it, put it back on, adjust it, take it back off. So it does get quite laborious, but to get it right, I need the right angle of clearance at the front. At the back, sorry, and obviously at the front. That isn't too far off. Alright, after a bit more adjusting, as I say, it is a slow process. That's the back one done, both sides. What's left to do now is work out the bracket for this. Bolt hole's about there, so I need a bracket about that long. But that's all fitting nicely, spinning freely.